This was the most humiliating and horrible thing I've ever been through.
Amber Heard is standing by her testimony after a jury found her liable for defamation in the highly publicized case brought against her by her ex-husband, Johnny Depp.
To my dying day, will stand by every word of my testimony.
He says he never hit you.
He can't.
Never. Is that a lie?
Yes, it is.
The Aquaman actress opened up to today's Savannah Guthrie in her first interview since the trial, and she said she has never felt more removed from her own humanity.
I would not blame the average person for looking at this and how it's been covered and not think that it is Hollywood brats at their worst. But what people don't understand is it's actually so much bigger than that.
On June 1st, Amber was found liable for defamation after a 7-person Virginia jury unanimously sided with her ex-husband's claims that she had defamed him in her 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post. But in the new sit-down, she claimed she never lied about the abuse allegations she made.
I will always continue to feel like I was a part of this, like I was the other half of this relationship, because I was. And it was ugly. And could be very beautiful. It was very, very toxic. We were awful to each other. You know, I made a lot of mistakes. A lot of mistakes. But I've always told the truth.
Savannah went on to grill Amber over audio tapes in which she admitted to abusing Johnny, citing claims made by his legal team that she instigated the spats.
As I testified on the stand about this, is that when your life is at risk, not only will you take the blame for things that you shouldn't take the blame for, but when you're in an abusive dynamic, psychologically, emotionally, and physically, you don't have the resources that, say, you or I do with the luxury of saying, hey, this is black and white, because it's anything but when you're living in it.
During the candid interview, which will air in full on Dateline on Friday, Amber admitted she did have regrets. She also responded to Johnny's lawyer's claims that she was acting during the trial.
Says the lawyer for the man who convinced the world he had scissors for fingers. I'm the performer. I had listened to weeks of testimony insinuating that, or saying quite directly that, you know, I'm a terrible actress. So I'm a bit confused how I could be both.
Access Hollywood reached out to Johnny's team for comment regarding the new interview. Following the verdict, the Pirates of the Caribbean star issued a lengthy statement that read in part, "I am and have been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and the colossal support and kindness from around the world. I hope that my quest to have the truth be told will have helped others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, and that those supporting them never give up. I also hope that the position will now return to innocent until proven guilty, both within the courts and in the media."